Hi guys, this is a supplementary video to address one of the UI bug that we have in the app. So if you see with me over here, when I click the Get Started button, the email text field becomes the focus and the keyboard is actually being shown. When I click on the login button, notice that nothing is happening here. The focus is still on and the keyboard is still shown. And I think it will be a lot better to dismiss the keyboard and to remove the focus from the text field when we are processing the request. So I think what I'd like to introduce over here is that under the login button tab in the login view controller, I just want to input one line of code over here, which is view.endEditing. And I'm going to set this as true. So yep, in the entire video, I'm just going to introduce line 74 over here. And what this does is that when you click on the login button, it dismisses the keyboard and it takes away the focus from the email text field before doing the processing. So you see over here, the keyboard is being shown and the email text field is actually highlighted over here. All right, it's in focus over here. So when I click on the login button, I want to remove the keyboard and to remove the focus of the email first. So this is what's going to happen. And then after which is going to navigate back to the main app. All right, guys, thanks for watching this.